I've literally been telling Tyler that, oh my god, you haven't seen a big lemon until you go to Positano, Italy.
Look how big this is!
This is real. I'm so happy they had them, or he would have just thought I was crazy.
And they were literally the size of, and I was like, no,
They're not this size. They're the size of your head. Look at this.
Excited for me to see it. She came a few years ago in the winter time, but now we're here enjoying the summer.
More tourists, but just as beautiful. In the winter, there wasn't even a store open. I came with my mom and sister and we did a girls trip for the first time ever and it was really awesome. But there was not one thing open, like dead. We were the only people in all of Positano, and now to be here with all these tourists.
With not even a place to park?
Yeah.
Much less a place to stand.
You get the sun.
And only for dessert?
So when you're in an expensive location such as the Amalfi Coast, and you will be there all day. Our plan today was to eat at 11 a.m. a very big meal.
Stuff ourselves.
This is a new technique we're doing today. And then go get a dessert just because that was frivolous. Now we're gonna get a giant box of these magnificent cherries.
So
These are...
So when you get the munchies while you're driving.
Exactly.
They're the perfect companion.
How much are they?
I don't know. This is about 2 pounds. I'm not gonna lie. Okay.
No le hai a casa. Oh, we're in trouble. Walk away, walk away. So the first town we just ate pizza at was Minori. Our next big goal is Amalfi. There are several little towns in between that are up on these hills and they're gorgeous, but next goal is Amalfi. And we may stop and hang out at a beach because look at this. Most expensive thing you'll do on the drive is get the car and pay for the gas. This car is the cheapest we found. It's a Fiat 500.
Little bitty things that don't have a lot of luggage.
It was about $250 US dollars for 8 days. So that we do not consider that bad.
You're gonna be going a one-way. Usually there's around like a $70, $80 one-way fee to go along with that.
Yeah. Also, we feel like it's worth it.
The cars,
we drove a whole country.
It's definitely worth it.
And the buses we found were very expensive because we're paying for 2 people, and then once you get there, you have to walk a long time. This eats up a lot of your time. We weigh our options. We went with the car.
You have the car, your own master of your transportation and your travel.
You're just at the mercy of the traffic that we're now sitting in. So all the buses just stop, tourists get off, tourists get on. They're all running across the street right now. We would be them if we didn't have a car.
Devotion that brings me down. That without my love for the ocean, I will be no one.
And another expense of having a car is that you have to park it. We finally found somewhere that was €5, not €6 an hour. Positano, the place of shopping, the place of money, the place of beauty.
Sounds magical. It's like Positano, Santorini, Oya. What's another one big one? Syracuse cities. They all sound super fancy.
They are, and they're all so pretty. Like, let's go in here, yeah? Tyler? actually have something from this store from the last time I was in Positano, and I'm so obsessed with what I have.
If there's ever a store made for like flowy linens for Ashley, this is it.
It's called La Bottega di Brunella, and I love this store, okay? I've been to the back, I've seen how they made it in the winter time. It was completely empty, so they took me and my mom and sister back there. And I've come all the way back just because Tyler knows. Yeah.
This is really nice. We'll put a link down below.
Yes.
So you can go check out, and hopefully, I think they have a website.
I think they, yeah, they do. They do. Tourist cut, do it, do it, do it. What are we gonna do now?
I think it's time to scoot.
Scoot?
Yeah.
Positano is one of those places where Tyler's watching me vlog. Like hands down, it's beautiful, okay, but it's expensive and everyone in the world knows about it, so everyone comes for vacation, so there's a million tourists and it's not very authentic. But can you deny the beauty? No. It depends on what kind of traveler you are. We're gonna go. 2 hours was enough for us. I think that's our car. You know how I can tell?
Now we begin the journey getting out of this place.
Did you just say?
So it's like driving in an ant colony. Little skinny roads and tons of people, or little ants running everywhere.
We're not staying on the coast. We're making it all the way to Pompeii because it was much cheaper. We got an Airbnb for 25 bucks tonight. Just drive the coast one day, see it all. Then you don't have to pay for the expensive hotels because you can go wherever it's cheapest for your hotel. I want to show you these lemons.
I'm excited.
I saw them on the side of the road. Look how big they are.
Do you see this?
I've literally been telling Tyler that, oh my god, you haven't seen a big lemon until you go to Positano, Italy.
Look how big this is.
This is real. I'm so happy they had them, or he would just thought I was crazy. Oh my god. This is my fist, okay? I mean, it's twice the size of my fist. It really is. Wow.
Look. Kind of in the middle.
This is so good. This is like sweet, not really sour, but this part is really sour. Tyler, don't waste the lemon.
You can eat like the pulp.
She's very good at salad.
Look how big this is.
Oh my god.
This is called a cedro. It's about 1.5 pounds lemon.
Oh, this is what you use for caprese.
Mozzarella and the basil. Smell.
Very Italian.
It smells like Italy. You have to use a special tomato for caprese.
Yeah, the special tomato from here.
That makes sense. We didn't know that.
No, we did not know. I thought it was any tomato for caprese.
That's so too.
Yeah.
Smell this. Cherry tomato with some basil.
Which first?
Tomato. And then
And just a moment. A moment.
This tomato.
oh, she's putting this.
Tomato, oregano, garlic, and basil.
Oh no.
You eat?
Oh, I'm never leaving now.
Yeah.
Never leaving now.
This is it, huh?
She locked me in.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
Tyler.
Basil?
That's tomato, right? It's magic. All right, guys, if you're traveling through Positano, Amalfi Coast, right outside Positano, you will find
Star Frutta Positano.
Frutta Positano.
It's a big shop, the best one.
the best one.
I have 53 years.
53 years.
Look no further.
Brother and
This
sister.
is the place.
Oh, this is the most authentic you can get. What is your name?
Lisa.
Lisa? Very nice to meet you, Ashley.
Ciao,
Ashley, ciao. We're leaving with basil leaves, tomatoes,
Some free tomatoes.
some olive oil, and the coolest can, guys. Check this out. Like, that's a can for life.
We're set. That couldn't have been a better ending to leaving Positano. That was amazing.
Hit some traffic, we are hungry, and so we eat our dinner.
This is dinner on a budget.
Pizza on the road, guys. We'll be in Naples in, I don't know, 3 hours with the traffic, but